this is our review of the chair. It's been about 3 days since we opened the package and built it and set it up. It's very sturdy. It's very nice. The cushion where you sit, it's very firm, so I think it will last a lot of years. The back piece that goes on your spine, it helps you keep your posture really straight. It's a little tough, so it's a little hard to get used to, but I think overall that's the point. As someone who's not used to sitting straight up a lot of the time, that's really helpful. This is also a really nice feature because I know a lot of us end up putting clothes on the back of the chair, so this is just a nice little bonus. Doesn't really add to the ergonomic part of the chair, but overall this is probably my favorite part. The back design is also pretty cool, so it's very aesthetic, especially for a boy's room, because this is actually for my brother. We've been meaning to find him a chair because he was using my pink chair previously, and I mean, obviously that was not his color, so we were searching for a chair that was kind of like my pink chair but a little bit better for him, and I think this was a really nice middle ground and upgrade from that pink chair. So this is how the chair works. This is my brother. He will help me demonstrate on the leaning back positions of the chair. So when you pull it up, right? When you pull it up is when you can lock it, or is that when it's pulled up?
When it's pulled up, it is when it's loose. When it's down, it is when it's locked.
Okay, so you can lock it. Okay. Yeah, so you were able to lock it into any position you want, which is really nice, especially when you need a break from being in front of the computer all day. And then, obviously, I mean, every chair has this feature, but you can put it up or down. Is that the most it goes? Yeah. So that's the maximum. Of course, his feet are hanging. My brother, he's around 5'4" right now, like 5'4" inches tall, like 5 feet 4 inches tall. So it's really nice. Of course, these armrests also move like with you once you lean back or when you lean forward. So no need to be shifting around with the armrests, nothing. So yeah, I think it's been a good purchase overall for the price, because I know a lot of ergonomic chairs are probably like $500 and up. So for $160 that we've got it in $10 off discount on Amazon when it was on sale, I think it's good for the price. Yeah, I know. That's so with the footrest, it's really nice because you can adjust the length on how far it goes. So if you're someone that likes to sit cross-legged, this is like the perfect chair. It's really comfortable to sit cross-legged with it. So someone who likes doing that, that's really good. But also when you're laying down, you can extend it further out, and it'll just kind of be like you're laying on a bed at this point. It's a little tricky to pull out, but once you get used to it, it's really sturdy. So I don't really mind that it's, you know, tricky to pull out because it's sturdy that way. So I think that's a really cool feature you don't find in a lot of chairs, and even in the ones that are advertised to be cross-legged chairs, they don't work the same as this one. So if you're someone who likes to sit like that, this is perfect.